super nice. Yeah, you got it.
Wait, one more push. Wait.
Set that right on top. And I got one right here.
I'm Jeremy Nelson.
I'm Joe Hill.
Ignacio Paz.
Kyle Anderson.
This is our 4 times upscale of the Aerotech Cheetah. It's 7.5 inches in diameter, 61 pounds. It's 10.5 feet tall. We're flying it on an Aerotech M2000 Redline. For electronics, we've got a featherweight GPS, Perfect Flight Stratologger, and a MissileWorks RRC3. Main at 11 with a backup at 9. If it goes straight in this wind, we should see about 10,000 feet. Should be pretty straightforward.
What do you guys all do for a living?
I make gooey stuff that lights on fire.
All right, good luck everybody.
All right.
Hi, there is a red rocket out there. This is one of the feature flights of LDRS this year. This is from Jeremy Nelson, Joe Hill, Nacho Paz, and Kyle Anderson. This is Team Aerotech. This is the Mega Cheetah. I have never seen an upscale this rocket before, and I love it. It is 7.5 inches diameter, 126 inches long. It's 61 pounds on the pad. It's a 4X upscale of the Aerotech Cheetah, which I know many folks use as their entry into mid-power rocketry. So this is pretty cool to see a big version of it. This has got an Aerotech M2000 Redline motor in it. This is the full M with the Redline propellant. Got to match the flame to the rocket, of course. This is going to be too cool for school. Got a featherweight GPS on board, RRC3 Stratologger dual deploy. And it is the first flight of this rocket. So best of luck to Team Aerotech, Jeremy, Joe, Nacho, and Kyle, the Mega Cheetah M2000 on pad C5. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, straight course, cargo to the north.
Yeah.
Go. All right, keep an eye on the drift back over the line here. It's going to be up that range, I do believe.
There it is. Come on. There it is. All right.
Yeah. All right, shoot out under main, over to the east. Beautiful flight, guys. Thank you very much. Bill Evans, he's from Auburn. This rocket is a Wildman Competitor 5 called 11. It's gray and red. He's on 4? Okay, he's on 4. It's gray and red. It's got an M1305 in it. It's got a Blue Raven, RRC3, featherweight tracker on board, dual deploy. This should go to 13,500 feet.
That's a record.
And you're on 4, is that correct? All right. You ready? All right, he's ready. He's tracking. He's nervous, as you should be for a level 3 flight. All right, let's do this. Bill Evans, Competitor 5, number 11 on an M1305. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smoke. Big metal storm motor. That's really
500. Pad A1 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's down. And check the fires real quick. That one lost the forward end. 890. Oh, this is cool. Long burn motor in Stratus 5. It's a 54 millimeter minimum diameter rocket. It's got a Raven and a tracker. You are going to hit. Pad A2 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smoke.
Seconds of fun.
Fantastic. All right, got continuity on A5. Launching King Fu in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very cool. Love that dark matter. Metal storm. Under the southwest. Got an event. And a shoot. It's all together. Excellent. Nice flight, Leo. It's a giant leap rocket. It's got an H-135 in it. Good luck on your level 1 cert flight on pad A2 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right through the sun. Still going up. Love this rocket. Oh, this has air starts in it. There's a G339 and then 2 H180s. This is going to be really cool. I'm also going to call a heads up because there's a cluster air start, so keep your eyes on this. This is going to be neat. He's got an adept timer and a depth altimeter on board and main only, which has enough complexity already, so that makes sense. Pad A3, Kevin McGrath, air start minimag, G339 2 H180s, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Go, 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 go. All right, it is headed off to the west, the northwest, heads up to the northwest. We got a shoot. That was an adventure. 42 inches long, 4 inches diameter, liftoff weight's 2 pounds. It's got an H-45 in it. This should be cool. This is the C-slot 38 millimeter full H, so this thing's gonna cruise. Stratologger, easy mini shoot release on board, dual deploy. Let's do this. Putting up the Skippy scooter on pad B2 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, scoot. Beautifully straight on that motor.
You just start flying rockets, I can see.
I think he's a contender.
Just flying really low.
We got Barry Van Oostend from Modesto flying a Dare Red Max. This is an upscale Estes kit, classic Estes rocket. But this is a 7.5-inch version. It's 8 feet tall, scratch built with an Aerotech M1419, the classic baby M from Aerotech. Nothing like a good 98, right? It's got a Stratologger RRC2 on board in this beautiful upscale Dare Red Max from Barry from Modesto. Flying on an M1419, pad C2. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful boost. Got an event, and looks like it's slowed down. Keep an eye on this. Smoke cloud drifts in front of the sun. Spectacular flight, shoots out. Thank you, Barry. Beautiful.
Ignition. There's one. There's two and 3 and 4. Oh, do we have parts and pieces on one of them?
It's going.
little bit of spin, but Peter Pittner has the answer is 42. Rocket's length is 96. It's got an M1315 in it. We got some stratologgers and featherweight GPS. Hoping for about 13,000 feet. This is on C2. It's going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
M's in the air.
J381 motor ejection with a parachute. And that's on 1B.
Should have put a camera on it. Could have.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. Time for an event. There we go.
Has a Red Max rocket out there on 2B. This has an I-218 in it with a stratologger. All right. 2B. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A little spinny, but no big deal.
Rocket's got an H-135 in it. Motor eject.
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
B3. Going in 5, 4,
Stuck the
3,
landing.
2, 1.
All right. I hear an airplane. Oh, we got an event.
For Mountain View, we've got the orange rocket. This is the Parablab. If I'm not saying that right. Parabolab. Got it. Third time's the charm. We got an Aerotech L1256 in it, and lots of complicated stuff. We've watched this one quite a few times. It's getting better every time, right? That's what counts. Keep it positive. Thrust. Compensation for air drag to produce a... Boy, I can't read your writing. You must be a college student. Thank you. Dual deployment. I got that part. All right. Let's see how it does this time. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that was pretty good. There's an event. Everything's coming down at the same speed. Wow, that's very interesting. Well, we need a main right now. Let's hit it. Blow it out, come on. Ouch. Nana has a Bat Ray. It's got a J525 in it, I believe. Egg timer electronics. All right, this is on 1A. He's going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hang on a second. Let's try that again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's much better. There we got it.
Mr. G with Little John, 50-inch rocket with an Aerotech H135. Has a shoot release at 500 feet. This is on pad 2A. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. And an event. And
going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goblin, 8-foot rocket. It's got a K550 in it, stratologger with dual deployment. This on 4A. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
all right, we got an event. Well, that's a big drug shape.
On pad 3A, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swimming like a salmon going up the stream, spawn, and back over the crowd. So we're going to watch that for a while.
So this rocket's flight is in honor of our mentor of almost a decade, David Raymond. David's been with us from the founding of this team in 2015. He's seen us through all the failures and the successes, and frankly, there's been a lot of failures. But we really wish that David could be here to see us. He's the one who helped us design it for this year, along with Paul Snow. So we just want to say thank you, David. We know you're here with us in spirit. You were all we could have asked for as a mentor. You've seen us grow from our high school TARC teams through SLI and now on our path to IREC. You've helped us certify and learn what it means to be a good Rocketeer. You'll be missed from the UC Santa Cruz Rocket Team.
All right, go Slugs. That's pad C2 on the away cell. UC Santa Cruz Supernova on an M2500. Heads up flight. Pad C3. All right, heads up, it's an M-motor flight, get to 10 count, going in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the continuity dropper, and it's up, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's up. It's going to fly on Aerotech L850, 6 inches diameter, no length, and a 38-pound rocket. Has 2 stratologgers on board, dual deployment for the main at 700 feet. So David reaches Mega Miranda on an L850. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, a little reluctant, but it's on its way. Waiting for an event on that.
Robert has a rocket called Chaos Monster on an I-140. It's on pad 3-8. We're armed on pad 3-8. It's going to fly on an I-140 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Accelerometer on board. Armed on pad 6A and ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll wave the goodbye on the way out.
Heads up.
But A1 and A2 are going to be a drag race. Pad A1, Russell Morgan is from Santa Monica, I think that says. He has Eeyore on an H135. It's a modified mini-mag. Motor ejection. Pad A2 is Russell Morgan from Santa Monica. Has a rocket called Tigger. Going to fly on an H139. No, 135. There it is. So we're set up for a drag race. Pads 1A, 1A and 2A. Have a clear range and a clear sky. Going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one didn't like the other. Try to get away.
Okay, I got one here. Nope, very wrong. My name is Bryce Chanis, and hi, my name is Jack Pullman. We're both from Seattle, Washington, and the Washington Aerospace Club. Yeah, we're here today at LDRS in California, looking to fly the 12-inch diameter Moonliner. We each have a couple 4-inch diameter small versions here, and this is all part of the Washington Aerospace Club group project, which is a 30-inch diameter, over 400-pound version that is going to be flying over Labor Day weekend out in the sod farms of Central Washington at the Tri-Cities Rocketeers. Pasco. In Pasco. It's going to be awesome. That's going to fly on an experimental red P motor, Sparky P, that we're designing right now. But today we're here to fly this guy, 12-inch diameter, just under 50 pounds. Flying today on an Aerotech M1600 Redline, looking for just shy of 3,000 feet or so, and is kind of a proof of concept stability demonstrator. Once we knew we were building the giant one, we really knew that we wanted to build some smaller scale ones to prove the stability of this thing. So we've got clear fins in the leg shroud region on all three models, and we're really excited to get this off the ground and flying safely. Yeah, it's been a fun project. I don't know if we said it's all 3D printed. Yep. All except for the base body tube here, including the leg structures, and then the clear fins are clear acrylic. There's some reinforcement inside the legs of carbon fiber tubes that certainly helps with the strength, and on the smaller model and this one, we've got carbon fiber kind of struts, if you will, holding the legs in place. Sweet. Should be awesome.
Can we back up for a second? What is a Moonliner?
Oh, a Moonliner was a concept between Walt Disney and Werner von Braun before we went to the moon. Walt Disney went to Werner and said, hey, theoretically, if we're going to take passengers to the moon, what might the rocket potentially look like? So the concept was drawn, I understand, on like a back of a napkin or something, was fully fledged out. It would have been 800 feet tall, I think, is what the Wikipedia page says. The first one that was built was about 80 feet tall, was at Disneyland, and then there's been a couple of versions since. The The 30-inch one that we're building is based on a full scale that was in Kansas, Kansas City, Missouri, on top of the TWA building, and it was 22 feet tall and 30 inches in diameter.
Yeah, and people will know the rocket if you've ever been to Disneyland in Anaheim, California, because this is in front of Tomorrowland. It's currently the Pizza Planet themed rocket.
And one last question: how big is the 3D printer?
The 3D printer is a Orange Storm Giga, if you've heard of that. It's 800 millimeters by 800 millimeters by a meter tall in print volume.
So 1 meter tall, so we can print 12-inch nose cones and 12-inch tail cones in their entirety in one single print without having to put a bunch of little pieces together.
And nice tall legs.
Yes, indeed.
All right, well, good luck, guys.
Thank
you.
Was a Disney ride when Disneyland opened. This one is 12-inch diameter. Bryce and Jack are from Seattle, Washington. It's going to fly on an M1600. Has electronics for main only. Has a egg timer proton and a quasar on board. This is a heads-up flight. I'm going to call a heads-up flight on it. M motor on the amusement park ride. This is what the future used to look like. All right, Bryce and Jack's Moonliner going in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Okay, we're gonna roll early. Lane only. Alright, head right over the flight line. We're gonna keep an eye on that rocket. Anytime when you open the range, we're going to recovery of rockets.